where you know the oxygen goes. Honestly, I'm not thinking about the mechanism. Normally, I would be thinking about the mechanism to figure out, what's going to happen with this group. But I know that I'm making an ester, and that's the only place it makes sense with the dog. Now, a cyclic ester has a fancy name. It's called a lactone. I have not yet talked about the nomenclature of esters. That's future. Don't get this confused with ether. We have done a lot of ether stuff, right? Ether is, well, this could be an ether, right? It's an oxygen with a carbon, bond to carbon on each side, and nothing else. Okay, so that is how you would go about making the cyclic lactone, not cyclic lactone, the cyclic ester, which is a lactone. At home, what do you think I'm going to ask to the mechanism? Try to apply what you saw in the template and try to apply it to this. What was the first step? The way that I'm suggesting my students to learn mechanisms is to memorize the first step. It's not that bad. We have a acid. You got to protonate something. But yes, you got to memorize what it's going to protonate. In real life, if you put yourself in the round bottom flask, yeah, all of these oxygens get protonated, but they get deprotonated quickly as well. But there is one location for protonation that once that happens, then a cascade effect will occur. And that is if you protonate the oxygen with the carbon double bond. Once that occurs, then you have this attack of the nucleophile. So for the mechanism, let's verbalize it. You're going to protonate this, first step. Second step, the alkoxy groups come in, and then I'm lost. But at least I get the first two steps, and I could guarantee you that once you draw the product for the second step, you'll know what to do for the third step. Okay, it's like cues. The preceding product will tell you what to do moving forward. But get off to a good foot and memorize that first step. Protonation of the oxygen of the carbon-oxygen double bond. Is there anything else I want to say about acid chlorides and esterification? No, not really. The next unit, again, we are going to be continuing to talk about acid chlorides, but also esters. For instance, this, because we still have more reactions to do with these, but those are typically put in the unit of derivatives, things that come from carboxylic acids. And for my class, that's it for Unit 5. I'll see you in Unit 6.